Hey, it's Mario inside the garage. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to change J-hook style wiper blades. Let me just get these out of the packages first. Alright, so this is the driver's side. Alright, I'll put this over here for now. They're fancy. They're Rain-X. That is cool. Alright, so we're going to grab our new wiper blades. We're going to head over to the correct side. We're going to come pull your blade up, and we have a little tab at the back of the hook. So you're going to pry this hook down and pull it out, and your blade should slide right out. So now on this new blade is a different style. We're going to pop this little hook up and slide our blade right on in there until it clicks and lock it in. It's that simple. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Grab our blade, pull our little tab out in the back, pull it out, open up our locking tab, slide it in until it locks in, and secure your wiper blade. Don't forget to peel off your protective film. I see a lot of people put on wiper blades and then they wonder why they don't wipe properly because they never remove this little plastic piece here. Quick little tip for you guys.